Let's go! Are you ready to take on a full week gym workout plan that will help you build muscle, burn fat, and feel more confident than ever? It's time to step up, find that inner strength, and push yourself further than you ever thought possible. Throughout this journey, we'll be right here with you, guiding you every step of the way. Today, I'm sharing a comprehensive full-week workout schedule that's perfect for beginners and seasoned lifters alike. Whether you need a full-week workout plan for beginners or simply want the best workout schedule to build muscle, this guide will set you up for success. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Day 1 is all about igniting those chest and triceps muscles. We're talking about that powerful feeling when you nail that bench press or feel the burn in your triceps after a set of skull crushers. Remember, it's not just about lifting heavy, it's about proper form and controlled movements. We'll be focusing on pressing movements like the classic bench press. Don't worry if you're just starting out, we've got modifications for every fitness level. After that, we'll be hitting those triceps hard with targeted exercises like triceps extensions and close grip bench presses. Day 2 is all about building that strong, powerful back and those biceps that demand attention. We're talking rows, pull-ups, and curls that will have you feeling like a true warrior. A strong back is essential for good posture and preventing injuries, so we're going all in. Get ready to feel the burn as we work those biceps with classic curls and hammer curls. Remember, it's all about squeezing at the top of the movement to really activate those muscle fibers. Get ready to fire up those legs and glutes. Today is all about building a powerful lower body that will take you further, faster. We're talking squats, lunges, and deadlifts that will test your limits and leave you feeling energized. Remember, these exercises are the foundation for a strong and athletic physique. Whether you prefer barbells, dumbbells, or bodyweight exercises, we've got you covered. We'll guide you through proper form and technique to help you maximize your results while staying safe. Today we're sculpting those shoulders and carving out a midsection that's as strong as it looks. We're talking shoulder presses, lateral raises, and a core routine that will have you feeling the burn. Strong shoulders not only look impressive but also play a crucial role in overall upper body strength and mobility. And of course, no workout plan is complete without a solid core workout. We'll be hitting those abs with planks, crunches, and leg raises to build that rock-solid foundation. Chapter 5, Day 5, Full Body Circuit. Ignite your metabolism. Get ready to rev up your metabolism and challenge your entire body with a dynamic full body circuit. Today we're combining compound movements that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, giving you a killer workout that saves time and burns maximum calories. From burpees to mountain climbers to squat jumps, we'll keep your heart rate pumping and your muscles working overtime. Remember to pace yourself, listen to your body, and take breaks when needed. Chapter 6, Day 6, Active Recovery, Recharge and Recover. Today is all about giving your body the love it deserves after an intense week of training. We're slowing things down with some active recovery. Don't mistake this for a day off. Active recovery is about keeping your body moving gently to promote blood flow, reduce muscle soreness, and prepare you for the challenges ahead. Whether it's a light jog, some yoga, or simply stretching out those tight muscles, listen to your body and choose an activity that feels good. Chapter 7, Day 7, Rest Day. Relax, recover, repeat. Today is all about rest, recharge, and getting ready to crush it again next week. Proper rest is essential for muscle growth and overall well-being. It's time to relax, kick back, and let your body recover from all the hard work you've put in. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to transforming your body. So, use this day to reflect on your progress, set new goals, and get excited for the journey ahead. Now that you have a powerful weekly workout plan, it's time to commit and transform your body. Remember, this is more than just a workout plan. It's a commitment to yourself, to your health, and to unlocking your full potential. Don't wait. Pick your favorite workout routines at the gym or at home and challenge yourself every single day. Get started now, stay consistent, and watch your muscle building journey truly take off.